Hey, new agents, you need listings. This is your inventory for your store. If you're in the business of real estate as a licensed real estate agent, then leads and listings is everything that you need to be focused on. Social media has caused us to be lazy. It makes us think that it's a shortcut to success. And then there's companies selling leads. That's another thriving business right now out there because new agents think it's a shortcut to success. Finding ways for someone else to give you leads is going to kill your growth. All of those strategies actually have potential to stifle your growth and stifle your success. And it costs a lot of money, or you're giving a lot of money away. I've created the 4X formula to empower new agents to outperform and steal business from the top dogs in their communities. While everyone else is focusing on their Facebook and Instagram model pics and phony selfies, you're going to be meeting people and you're going to be listing homes and you're going to be learning how to activate the 4X formula to create 4 deals out of every listing and build a real estate inventory that's going to feed you for decades to come. Try it right now. And let's get you your next 10 listings fast and turn those into 40 deals fast. Do you want to learn how? Go to 4xformula.com, download my free ebook. Do that. That's free. It's called the Quick Commission Blueprint. That's going to give you the foundation and start building your listing inventory today.